What we're trying to do with the project is get local high school students, bring them to the university, have them sit down at a microscope and do science for a day.
What we know about STEM disciplines is that people that are of ethnic minority status or women, they're underrepresented in these disciplines. And so the intent of our program is to bring them here and show them what this looks like.
And in that, what we hope to do is facilitate kids feeling comfortable doing science, feeling allowed to do science, feeling part of science.
On TV or in books, you see scientists that look a certain type of way. And that makes you sort of afraid to even step into the lab. You don't think it's for you. And then once I got here, I saw other people that looked just like me. But Rochelle and Dustin really helped me see that this is a place for me. And started realizing that I could actually start doing science as a first-generation Latina undergraduate.
It's really transformative to interact with somebody and really relate to them. And to have somebody who understands your perspective, where you've come from and the context that you are evolving from.
What we're going to do is just immerse kids, take kids out and let them see that science is actually pretty fun, it's pretty cool.
We're here at UNLV conducting really high-profile research in this R1 environment, and that's really a unique opportunity for students because you could go into a lab in your high school and use a microscope, but you're not going to have necessarily a world-renowned expert in microscopy working with you. You're not going to have access to some of the unique types of samples that we have.
For high school students, I think it'll get them excited about science and just give them the little bit of confidence they might need to even just try science.
These donations that we're looking to get will literally take a student, put them in a chair, and allow them to do science. So at the level of the community and the level of our science, I can't tell you how important it is. It literally will change a life.